Marvel at the Hoover Dam, a wonder of the world where water appears to defy gravity. Pour a bottle from the top and watch as drops ascend instead of descending. But it's not a gravitational anomaly. It's the air draft above the dam at work. Cool air accumulates where the water is, while warmer air lies below. This temperature difference causes the canyon's warm air to rise rapidly. The result? A strong enough upward airflow that reverses the water's direction. A mesmerizing illusion of upward flowing water.